Hey guys! Okay, so today is a haul. It is a haul, and I don't do hauls, so I don't really know how to do this, but long story short, I went to TJ Maxx. So needless to say, I did some damage today. Let me do like a little backstory real quick, okay? So the mall that I go to closed down the TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and we're going to relocate them. So they relocated them to another area near the mall that used to be a Toys R Us store, and today was their grand opening. And boy, when I tell you, I should have filmed it, but it was so freaking busy, like so busy. They opened at 8 o'clock. My mom and I went maybe like 10:30, 11. It was popping, I'm not gonna lie. They had a DJ there, like every manager that probably owned worked for one of the TJ Maxx stores was there. It was so packed full of people. Like, I even asked the workers, like, has it been like this since 8 o'clock? And they're like, oh, at 8 o'clock there was a line like going out the door. And I was like, wow, okay. But personally, like, I always go to Marshall's, so I knew, like, you know, TJ Maxx and Marshall's are owned by the same people, so I was kind of like, let's go to TJ Maxx because I want to see what makeup they have, you know, coming grand opening day, because I wanted to see what they would have and, like, how much of it, you know, because you know how, like, usually when you go to, like, a Marshall's or something, like, it's kind of ransacked a little bit. So, you know, I was kind of wanting to get there before everything, you know, was taken or before they were out of everything. I'm not proud of what I spent, but hear me out. Hear me out. I don't buy a lot of clothes very much, and I'm taking this as my back to school shopping, so don't judge me. Or judge me kindly, okay? I want to show you the clothing items I got first, and then I'm going to get into the makeup, because the makeup was like the part I was really there for. I saw these two vests. They're little furry vests, and I really like this one the most, but they're these little furry sleeveless vests. This is a lilac shade, and I'm obsessed with the shade. I knew I had to get it because I knew it wouldn't be there much longer. I got this in a medium, and it was for $19.99, and it's really, really soft. Like, oh, this would be a cute, like, scarf, honestly. And then I got the other one that's in this shade, like kind of like a off-white, dirty white kind of shade. I don't know what you call this, like oatmeal, I don't know. Same size and same price. So I'm really excited. My mom and I are going to share these together because I got a medium because we're both going to fit in a medium. And then my mom found this shirt. It's really cute. It's a little white button-up, like boxy kind of shirt, and it has cute little bumblebees on it. Do you see that? So cute. This is a size medium by Solitaire. I got it for $17.99. So this shirt right here was $13. It is just like a little black, kind of like acid wash shirt, and it's kind of large. It's a, what size is this anyway? I don't even know. I couldn't find the size on here or the brand. Oh, okay, everything's on the bottom of it. I think it's supposed to be kind of like an active t-shirt because it's kind of like that lightweight, kind of athletic, thin material. So that's what I think it's for. I got it in a size medium also, but I saw this and I saw the lilac vest right beside it and was like, oh yeah, these are going together. So this, like, with a knot in the front, with the vest, and then like some jeans. I thought that was a really cute look. Real talk, like, if you look at my old videos on here, I was really into fashion. Like, no joke, seriously so into it. I watched every runway episode. Like, I always looking at fashion and stuff like that, and I've just kind of strayed away from it just because, like, I don't know, I guess it sounds like a horrible excuse, but like, I just don't have time. And on top of that, I work in a warehouse, so like this stuff, like comfy shirts and stuff, is like what I wear. So I don't really get to dress up looking cute for work. So I just kind of like lost the passion I had for it, but it's still like there. It's just I have to like get those gears going again. I don't know. Okay, two more shirts, or two more clothing items. So, okay, this is a bodysuit. It is a black turtleneck halter bodysuit. You can see it looks better on a person, but essentially this is it. I got it for $9.99 and it's a medium. So I also got this gold kimono. It was $13.99. You can't really see what it looks like, but I mean, you get the gist, right? But it's basically a really pretty little gold flowy kimono. I thought it'd be nice because, oh, it has like little tassels on the bottom. And then I did get 2 pairs of shoes. I'm just going to show them real quick. But I got these little black ankle booties, as you can see. These were $30. Yeah, these were $30. I got them in a size 11. I have a really big foot. Really, I'm like a 10.5, but shoes usually run small, so I always have to get an 11. The ironic part is it's the brand Carlos by Carlos Santana, I believe. And it's so funny because every time I pick up a shoe, like the first shoe I like that's like at Marshall's or at TJ Maxx is a Carlos. And I have a pair of tall gray like knee-high boots that have beautiful flower embroidery on them. And then he also made a sandal that was like a gem like pineapple on it, and I love pineapples. And I was like, oh my god, Carlos made it. And I was just like, this just keeps me, it's like a secret, it's like an inside joke for me at this point, because every time I pick up a shoe that I like, it happens to be a Carlos. So that's why I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so funny. So I had to get these. And I can't wait to wear those because I only have 1 pair of black ankle boots and they're from Forever 21 and I love them. But, you know, I'd like to switch it up a little bit. It's a different material too, so I like these because they're like a suede. I think y'all are going to flip for these shoes. I saw them and I was like, I gotta get these. So these, I love these. These are Dolce Vita shoes. These were the priciest shoe I think I bought in a hot minute. These were $60. Not proud of having dropped $60, but they're so freaking cute. And these are a size 10, which I was shocked that they fit, but they are a size 10. And they even made my foot look small. And like, if you have big feet, you understand that you have to be careful with certain shoes because they make your foot look bigger than it really is. And these didn't do that to me. They actually made my foot look smaller. So I don't know what kind of sorcery that is, but these are so cute. And when my mom saw them, she was like, you have to get them. I was like, I know. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was really impressed by how much makeup was there at TJ Maxx. Like, they had it very nicely and organized. Let me tell you, I spent some money. I got all this stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with these. I bought some Anastasia single shadows. I got a shade called Belize, which I will show you right now. So this is Belize right here. And then this is what Belize looks like. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a neutral, kind of almost cool tone in a way of a brown. I'm having to be really careful because this is wanting to pop out. But this is the shade Party Dress. It's like this like warm kind of transition shade with like some gold flecks in it. I really love the color of this. It's like you barely see the gold flecks, so I feel like you could put this in your transition and you'll kind of like lose the gold flecks in it. And then right here you have the shade Brick. It's not a brick shade in my opinion, but it's a really nice deeper brown, warm brown. And then this is what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. You want to see something that makes you think of fall? Look at this color. This color is called Henna. Look at that shade. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mom, look at this shade. What's that henna? Oh god. I know, right? It's pretty. It's really pretty. So this shade is called Prussian Blue. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. But these are $3.99 each. I got a MAC powder blush. This shade is called Pinch O Peach. And look at it. I feel like on camera it looks a lot more like brighter than it really is. Like, maybe that gives you a more accurate representation of it. It's such a soft pink, and I think this will look really pretty on people with fair skin Because sometimes you have to be really careful with the blush you put on because it can really make you look like a clown. But like, look how soft that is. The blush was $9.99, and then I found the little like mini lipsticks that they give you, and this is the shade Velvet Teddy. And then I got a Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow because I literally collect these. Like, you can't see, but all that are Stilas. So I have like a whole shelf, like section dedicated. I got the shade Kitten. Look at that. See if I sheared out a little bit on my hand. Like, just look how pretty that is, right? So this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I have heard about this, but I've never tried it before. But I got it for $10, and I got the shade Light. The last things I got are these NARS Velvet Lip Glides. Now I do have one. My friend Kayla has it because I wore it to the Khalid concert and she had it in her fanny pack for me because I didn't bring a bag. Okay, so I have one called Roseland. It's Roseland. I called it Roseland, but I think it's Roseland. Look at this shade. Look at this shade. Like, I can't. So this one's called Unlaced, and look at this. It's such a pretty like nude peach, like everyday shade. I was like, holy shit, I'm getting this. So I got that one. Then of course I didn't have to stop. I couldn't stop there, so I got one more. This one's called Stripped. Oh yeah, this is my shade. I don't know what it is, but like a taupe, cool toned, neutral toned brown. Like, that's the way to my heart right there. So these are what they look like swatched. I don't know how the camera is making this one look, but it's a really nice like rosy dusty mauve kind of shade. So this is the Roseland, this is Unlaced, and then this one is that Stripped shade. So I think I'm gonna go in with I dropped it. Party Dress. Even though it has a little bit of glitter in it, I think it'll be fine. I'm going to use it as another transition shade. I think I want to make the blue shadow kind of like the focal point. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild little blender brush and just put a little bit in the crease and just start blending it. I didn't set this, but you know, set it if you want. It's up to you. And then I'm going to go into my Alamar Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go in with the orange shade Cocoa Taxi, just to kind of give the crease a little bit more warmth. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Brick right here. I'm going to go with Cafecito, the brown shade in here, just to darken this up just a tad. So then when I go to put in the blue, I feel like it'll mesh a little bit better. So I'm using just a smaller brush. This is the Luxie blending brush, the 237. Just because I don't want it to go up too high. Just enough to kind of darken this outer portion. Just a little bit. And then now I'm going to do, this is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. And I'm going to go in with that Prussian blue shade. This is really pretty even without it being wet. If anything, I might add a blue shade. I'm going to go on with the Androgyny palette, and I'm going to use Swallow, which is like the same kind of blue right here. And then I am going in with a little bit of the dark brown shade. Help kind of deepen it a little bit. And then I'm just kind of going back and forth with my transition shades to kind of keep the depth going on. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the Prussian blue. I'm going to go in with Party Dress, and then I'm going to go in with Brick, that darker orange shade, and then I'm going to go in with the Cocoa Taxi from the Alamar palette, the lighter orange to help kind of smoke it out just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Prussian blue on this little brush and just kind of stamp it right here. Okay, so this is what the blush looks like on, and then what I did do is I took the Stila Kitten liquid eyeshadow and put it on the inner corner. Really bright, really pretty. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to go in with Stripped for the lip. So I'm going to line my lips first. And this is the liner Sugar and Spice by LA Girl. Okay, so I throw on some lashes. Oh, and the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Actually, kind of impressed. Like, I barely squeezed any out. And it said, like, you know, to make sure you just use a really small amount, warm it up, and then put it under your eyes or whatever. And when I tell you that stuff is full coverage, it is full coverage. And this is kind of how the look looks. And I don't know, what do you think? You're allowed to not like it. You're allowed. But yeah, so this is what I came up with. I hope you enjoyed my little haul of some stuff I've got at TJ Maxx, and I hope this look was interesting enough. I feel like this is a nice fall look, honestly, because I don't know, like, I don't really associate, I guess, blue or navy blue eyes with fall, but I don't know, something about me is just like, that's a fall look. I like this. And yeah, so that's why this exists. I'm really excited for fall, so I'm going to be trying to make some more fall looks coming up. So let me know if there's specific kind of looks you want to see, but I'm just kind of playing around with makeup as I normally do, and whatever I come up with I just want to share with you guys. So if you do have something that you want me to like specifically do, just let me know and I will do my bestest. And this look, in my opinion, looked good without the lashes, but I was going to take some pictures of this afterwards, so, you know, usually lashes kind of, you know, zhuzh up the pictures a little bit. But yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you come back. But if not, that's fine. It was nice. It was nice to meet you. Hopefully you'll reconsider. But yeah, I'm gonna go now because I have homework and I need to get it done. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.